Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you all. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the world of graphic design, you're in the right place. Whether you're a complete newbie or just looking to polish up your skills, I've got some beginner tips to help you create stunning visuals. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's chat about the basics of graphic design. At its core, graphic design is all about communication. It's where images, text, and colors come together to tell a story. Before diving into creating your masterpieces, it's crucial to understand a few key concepts. Let's start with colors. Colors can evoke emotions and set the tone for your design. For instance, blue often represents trust, while red can signify passion or urgency. When picking colors, think about the message you want to convey. Tools like color wheels can help you find complementary colors that work well together. Moving on to typography. The fonts you choose can drastically impact your design. A clean, easy-to-read font is usually best for body text. However, for headings, you might want to use decorative fonts to grab attention. Just a heads up. Avoid using too many different fonts in one design, as it can create confusion. Now let's talk layout and composition. A well-organized design guides the viewer's eye and makes information easy to digest. Start by using grids to structure your design. Grids help you align elements neatly and give your work a professional look. White space, or negative space, is another important aspect. This empty space around your design elements can help balance your composition and draw attention to key areas. Don't be afraid to use white space generously, it can enhance your overall design. Next up, using graphics and images. Images can add depth and interest to your work. Choose high-quality visuals that relate to your message. You can find stunning images on free resources like Unsplash or Pexels. Consider image placement carefully. Ensure your images complement your text without overpowering it. A good rule of thumb is to keep your images at about a third of your design. This balance helps maintain harmony in your layout. Now, if you're wondering about tools, there are plenty of user-friendly design software options available. Canva is a fantastic starting point for beginners, with templates and drag-and-drop features that make designing easy. Another great option is Adobe Spark, which offers simple tools for creating graphics. As you grow more comfortable, you can explore more advanced software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. As with any skill, practice is key. Set aside time each week to create designs. Experiment with different styles and techniques. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are part of the learning process. Getting feedback is also valuable. Share your work with friends or on social media and ask for their thoughts. Constructive criticism can help you improve and develop your unique style. Lastly, keep up with trends. Graphic design is always evolving. Follow design blogs or social media accounts that showcase new trends. This can inspire you and keep your work fresh. Look at what other designers are doing, but remember to stay true to your own style. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these beginner graphic design tips inspire you to start creating. Remember, every great designer started somewhere. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Happy designing!